Get out. Hey, someone go right here. Somebody come right here and shoot at that. Okay. Watch out, get close, get close, get close, get close. Come here, get close to me.
You guys gotta scoot back, scoot back.
Oh, scoot back?
Barrel's right there.
Oh, shit. Bro, that was the spot, man. That's too bad. Why? They're all down there. Well, if you can't move up. Yeah, I got like 4 or 5 people in that spot. I'm telling you.
Did make you go back though? You just go back.
Yeah, he said it was too. I was up too much, I guess. But I can't. They're not moving up. There's not like.
There you go. Yeah. All the way down. There you go.
Fucking bullshit. Get him!
On a castle! Oh, yeah, cool. I saw that.
Coming up, Ryan, coming up, Ryan.
The guy on the side. Guy on the side, right here.
Let me see, I'm gonna look.
Yeah, you're good. That door's open though. Oh, they're lighting this place up.
Are you out?
Yeah.
You can't. I gotta get up for it.
We got pizza, huh?
You gotta move. Yeah, I'll get this corner. I need this. I'll get this corner while you're
Are you not shot, dude? Hit that. You got your ass, huh? You're good. I don't see it if it didn't break. You're good. Oh shit. This bitch wide open. Pretty good. Yeah, there's a couple guys in. There's a water crate guy.
I don't see anyone at the boat right now.
Do you have good eyes on that bus?
I I do got it down.
Just in case, there's a guy that keeps popping his head, popping shots. It's very seldom what he does.
I see through the building.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Alright, this guy to the left of the bus, behind the wall. Nice job. You gotta go to the spot.
Come on, dude. Hey, ref! Is he okay there?
Oh, that's the flag? I thought it was over there.
Hey, bro, I'm gonna go for the flag, I think.
Alright,
Come on, come on.
who's gonna Leroy Jenkins? Patrick!
Hey, I'm gonna go for the flag.
Alright, I'll cover you.
I'm gonna dive behind that plane.
No, you have to come bring it back that way. They don't let you go past the flag.
Oh, we can't bring it.
I got yelled at for being over there. Cover! Cover! Go, 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 go! Shit! Fuck!
Did he get it? Shit. Did it break?
What broke?
Is there a paper? Oh.
You're so close.
Excuse me, bud. There we go. Oh, sorry, dog. I'm sorry, who the fuck?
No, I got you. There's someone out on the far side.
On the, okay. I'm gonna keep this one over here.
They're like right beside or at the bus.
Okay. Oh, they're in the fucking bus window. Good shit! Okay. Windows dead, windows dead. Windows dead.
Watch out.
front of the bus. Inside front.
Okay. The camo guy? He's there, he's there.
Still there?
Yeah.
See that guy?
Is there a light on?
Yeah. Is he still there?
Nah, yeah, just watch that. He's still there.
Wait, did we pick up the black one?
Yeah, we got like 2 of them. That fuck.
I want to know where they are.
Huh?
You know where they are?
Yeah, come here. See this little crack right here? Look. No, come here, look at me. See this crack in the wall? There's a guy right there. Look, you can see his barrel. Come where I'm at. He's peeking it right there. Just aim there. Wait till he peeks it. Wait till he peeks you. Get your gun ready to shoot him. Right here. There he is, there he is. I got him, I just shot him.
Oh, I see. Oh.
That could have been your kill. There's another one. That. Bro, the topper's fucking tainted. Good job.
Let me know.
Hold on, wait. Okay, no. Ah, shit.
They're inside the bus.
That bus kid won't get out. He's got shots all over his hopper.
Yeah, he won't get out.
He's shot everywhere.
Oh, I see him.
Yeah. There you go. Go. You get ya?
He won't get out. I just found like
That's okay. Yeah, screw him. Just watch this right side. Watch this side. If someone comes up on us on the right side, let me know.
There they are. They're right by this building right here between buses.
Yeah. Oh, he wore it.
Saw someone got one.
I got shot. I'm coming back.
I'm out now.